Hello everybody. Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to clear maintenance light on 2018 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Okay, let's start it, guys. Like on that maintenance light required on this car, you need to start the engines up. Okay, to clear it, just turn the ignition to start it, and you see the dash right now. It's still working on it. Okay, just wait a little bit. You're gonna see the maintenance required. Okay, so just click the arrow in here. You're gonna see the screen check it and click this one. Okay, you keep click it until you see the vehicle setting. Just click on OK, and then you're gonna see the schedule maintenance. Okay, just click on schedule maintenance and just click on yes. This is how it is. Okay, this is how to reset the maintenance light on 2018. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you.